Welcome everyone. So in last video we have seen how to insert data at the beginning of a link, right? So today we are going to insert node at anywhere in the linked list. You will be providing a position means at any given position you can insert a node in a linked list. Okay. So here only I will modify insert a node at the beginning and at any given position of a linked list. Okay. So I have you know the same code I have kept it here as because it will be easy to have a single code for insertion like at the beginning or at the given position or at the end. Okay, so today we'll be seeing how we can insert node at any given position. So let me modify code here. We'll create one integer variable such as position, and what we can do here is we can just take input. Okay, enter data for enter position. Okay, where you want to insert data, correct? Then you just store it inside position. Fine. Now what you do is just call one function, let's say insert at given position. Okay, and pass this head and this position, correct? Right, then just take return this function to a node pointer and accept it as a head, and here you can traverse, right? Fine, because I have already written function for traverse, so we will not write again. Okay, now here let me return pointer of type node and insert at given position here, right? Here you can, because we are passing two arguments, right? Here one is position, so let me take it as position only. It's like we are taking two parameter, one is head and one is position. And now what we do, simply like we have to take enter data for, right? Now what you do, you just, but before that I have to create integer variable of type data, correct? So here I will create one data, right? Once it is done, then what I will do, will will have one temporary variable which will I will assign to head, and one I will have first, and then one I will have this one, previous. Okay, I will tell you what is the use of this all. So let's assign space for this first. Okay, star, then malloc, then size of node. Fine. This is done. Now what you do, just simply assign data to data first of. Now here we'll see if position is equals to 1, then it should simply behave as what, insertion at the beginning. So simply we'll do all those things. First of next should be pointing to 8, and head. See, head should be pointing to first and then return head. Correct? It should simply see, if you want to see the, this should be the same, right? It should be react as a beginning of a linked list. Now, what if else part? If position or is greater than one, then you have to do previous, just assign to temp and increment temp equals to temp of x, correct? And then position minus one. So basically we are tracking the position. Once it reaches to 0, then we are at the position where you want to insert the data. Temp will be at that time position, right? So once it will come out of the loop, then just assign first of next to temp and previous of next to first, and yeah, that's it. Return head, right? Now let's run the code. At 74 it is, what is okay. So see, it's let me insert 5 data, 20, 30, 40, all are inserted at the beginning. Now it's asking what interposition where you want to insert. Let's say I want to insert at fourth position. So what is that fourth position? 20. Okay. So fourth position I want to insert. And let's say data is 60. So how it should be? 50, 40, 30, 60, 20, 10. Right? Now let's run again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And now let's say I want to insert at the first. Okay, and let's say data is my 100. So it should be 100, 50, 40, some whatever it is. See, so at any position, let me run again. Okay. So your data is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So let's say you want to insert at, let's say, sixth position. And then my data is 200. So it should go at the last. See, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 200. So this way you can insert data at any given position. So we'll see how we can insert data at the end in next session. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.